what we've done now, we've made our plate, we've cut. You have to, very, very difficult to push the crank pin out. It's rusted in anyway, this crank was, so I'm going to talk you through this in a second. The engine was full of water when we found the bike outside and so on and so forth. But a Honda cr250, 1979, this one. Awesome, iconic bike. Obviously Matthew's got one, I've got one, we can't wait to ride and race together on them. So we've cut the crank in half now. We've taken all the measurements that we needed, the distance between the inside, the thrust washers, how much space we need in between them and everything else. So we need to press these pins out, and then we're going to put these in the soda blaster to get the rust off, make them all look like brand new again. Okay, so here goes with pressing pin number 1 out. Might not work. Here we go. Incredible pressure pushing this out. This is only quite a small press. It's only a 10-ton press, this one. What the professional boys, the real boys, will be using will be like a 30-ton press. So, and always use like an electric. So they will press a button, and the electric motor would pump the pressure in. As it is, I've got to use the wrist action on the. And
how come
always safety?
How come we've not got the amazing professional stuff?
Because we haven't got any money.
That's true.
Nope. Hope we got that big bang then, because I was frightened. It went. I'll show you that now. All I'm using here, by the way, sockets are made out of chrome vanadium steel, super hard, tough, durable, everything you want. So we're using that to press the crank pin inside of there, falls out and goes in there. Same with this socket here, chrome vanadium socket. It's just a tiny bit smaller than the crank pin, and that's pushed it through. But you can actually see, if we come up closer, you see the rust on one side, and obviously the shiny on there. So it's in there very, very tight.